Hey, what's up guys, Pixel Sammy here, and I am back with another LUTS pack. So it's been a while since I have launched my last LUTS pack. So this LUTS pack consists of 8 LUTs, and I have chosen German names because it is a bit fun to learn new language. So I have chosen some German names, and please bear with me if I say any word wrong because this is my first time I'm using any German language. So the LUTS pack consists of, the LUTs are GELB, which changes the color of grass to yellow. It is a cool LUT for using in drone footages. The next LUT is STRAND, which is a bit for city, and I have given some reddish tones and some vibrancy in them, so you can use it in cities. The next one is NUTTEGANG, which is good for nighttime videos and adds a little bit of tones in the skies and any other light in which is present there. The next one is NUNTERGANG, which is for sunset, and I have given a lot of vibrancy and temperature in them so that it looks cool. The next one is NUNTERGANG, which is for sunrise or for sunset also. It is a bit for reducing the highlights, and it is a bit good for increasing the temperature also. The next one is VERBLASSEN, which forcefully adds color to the skies and any other faded background and turns it to blue. The next one is my favorite, and it is called KASTANIAN, and it changes the color of green or any other such colors to red, and it just gives a really cool effect and looks amazing with drone footages. The next one is STRAND, and it is basically for videos which has a lot of blues and greens in it, and it is not the teal and blue effect. It is a bit different, but it is cool and it looks really awesome in beach scenes or any other scenes which has both blues and greens in them. So in order to download this download pack, to go to the link in the bio, then subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed, just click the link, then download the effects, and then the media file link will generate, and then download the effects. And I have also included a Rian Angles link to install this LUTs properly. That includes external plugin and so it is pretty simple, just follow it. The link is in the bio. So that is pretty much it guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you are into cinematography, photography and filmmaking and all those other stuff, then my channel is just for you. And if you like my content and if you like the stuff I do in my channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel because I make regular tutorials and tips and tricks and videos each alternate days. So if you are into it, please consider pressing the red button and the bell button. And with that being said, this is Pixel Sammy signing out. Peace out.
Thank you.